The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum is an advanced cleaning solution for your home. Equipped with AI laser vision, it intelligently navigates and maps your space, efficiently cleaning both carpets and hard floors. Its powerful suction and dual brush rolls ensure thorough dirt and debris pickup, while its self-emptying base allows for hassle-free maintenance. With voice control and app connectivity, keeping your home spotless has never been easier. Introducing the Halitus Hooky Smart Portable Gym, your all-in-one fitness companion. This compact yet powerful device combines multiple gym equipment into one, offering a versatile workout experience wherever you go. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, the Halitus Hooky empowers you to stay active and fit anytime, anywhere. The DJI RS3 Mini is a compact and lightweight handheld gimbal stabilizer, perfect for capturing smooth and steady shots on the go. Its small size belies its powerful capabilities, offering professional-grade stabilization for your camera. With intuitive controls and advanced features like ActiveTrack 4.0 and Force Mobile, you can easily create cinematic footage with precision and creativity. The BlueVua Reverse Osmosis water filtration system offers superior water purification with its multi-stage process. It includes a sediment filter, an activated carbon filter, a high-efficiency reverse osmosis membrane, and a post-carbon filter. This system effectively removes up to 99% of contaminants, ensuring your home enjoys clean, safe, and great-tasting drinking water. Introducing the AirHood Wireless Portable Range Hood. Say goodbye to kitchen odors and smoke. This sleek and compact device offers powerful ventilation wherever you cook, without the need for installation. With its wireless design and rechargeable battery, enjoy hassle-free operation and a cleaner cooking environment every time. Introducing our innovative 2-in-1 smart laundry solution. Wash and dry your clothes in one seamless process. With advanced technology, this compact unit maximizes efficiency and saves space without sacrificing performance. Enjoy the convenience of completing your laundry in one go, making your daily chores simpler and more efficient than ever before. The Beast Grip is a versatile and adjustable smartphone camera rig designed for mobile photography and videography. It supports various lenses and accessories, enhancing your phone's camera capabilities and allowing for professional quality shooting on the go.